Okay, I'm going to show you how the speed feed head here works. How to load the line on an Echo SRM 225. I'm going to place you right here. You take your line, all right? See where that little arrow is at? Right here. You line that arrow up with the hole. Trying to do it one-handed here. I'll have to put you down and then I'll show you. You heard that click. You got the arrow lined up with the hole now. You basically look through there and you can see all the way through. Take your line, put it through, push it through, you see it coming out the other end. This is where I'm going to have to put you down. Take this line and the other end, have them even. Pull it through. You're not even length on both sides. Show you again. Both are even. And then all you do is this. You hold on to this part, the top part. You grab the bottom. Just start turning. And see, it's taking the line in automatically. Check your length. I'll go one more. Make sure it's tight. As you use it, the lengths will even out. But that's how you load the line on an SRM 225 weed whacker with the speed feed head.